Hey, what's up everybody? Manny Coates here with Helium 10 and we're in Black Box and I'm going to show you how to see the daily number of sales for a particular product. So I put in monthly revenue, 50,000 per month. I've selected a few categories and let's just do a search here. It's very fast, okay? So let's just say that this product here, linen tablecloth, does $50,000 per month, right? And then you got a price point here at $1,377. Well, check this out. So we've got the monthly sales is $3,657. If I click this, it's actually gonna bring up this chart, okay? This is saying all time. I can do 90 days, okay? And I can actually see where the sale volume was for each day. Okay, now this is an average, so it's gonna give a decimal point in there. Obviously, they didn't sell 74.73, but that's the average for that day. So 74 sales there, 91 sales, and so forth. 160. It's doing some averaging based off of the data that we have. We have billions of data points. So this is really cool, right? So you can see that it's actually trending upward. Starts here, right, at 92 sales per day. And over the last 90 days, it's up to an average of 127 per day. Super cool if you want to keep track of particular products. I can go into something else. Let's say this toy, and I can click into this. And I can see also that it's trending upward. And they had some really good spikes here where they had some big sales days. But you know, if I want to see the number of sales per month, I've got that here. If I want to break it down, you click into it. Here's something, a memory foam does 432 sales per month, but I can actually break it down. Let's do the last 30 days and I can see where the sales were each day. Okay, pretty consistent for the most part. So use this feature whenever you want to dial in per day. And you can also do this, guys, with the price points. So if this is selling for $44 and I want to see where the price point was at any given point, I can see here it was $44.99 and I can see down here it was $33.99. Down to $29.99. So you can see what they're doing with the price to see if that was part of the reason why some of those sales spikes were manipulated, right? So use those features, pretty awesome. That's just a couple of about 700 features that Black Box has. Black Box is, of course, our Amazon product research tool. Best in class, super awesome. It's what I'm using and I'm crushing with it. And I hope you crush it too. Take care.